Nana, you're one of the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making dirty Cajun Orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of beef broth, 2 cups of Orzo, 1/4 of an orange bell pepper chopped, 1/4 of a yellow bell pepper chopped, 1/4 of a green bell pepper chopped, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our Orzo, and we're going to cook it according to the package instructions. Next, to a large skillet on medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now you can add in your bell peppers, and also your onions. We're going to let that saute for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can go ahead and add in your ground beef. Go ahead and break it down and make sure that it's mixed well with the veggies. Now we're going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your Orzo is done cooking, after 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Okay guys, once your ground beef is done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add in your tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to mix that around. We're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. Now you want to drain all excess grease from your ground beef. Now we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of our tomato paste. We're going to go ahead and mix it in until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you guys, I forgot to tell you, we're going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You want to go ahead and mix that in over top of your ground beef. Then you're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. You want to let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our beef broth. We're going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our seasoning, our black pepper, our garlic powder, onion powder, and our Creole seasoning. We're going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Guys, you can turn off your heat once your sauce has thickened, you can go ahead and give it a taste, and if you need to adjust any seasoning, you can do it now. Guys, now it's time to add in our orzo. Now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so here we have it, our dirty Cajun Orzo. This is a budget-friendly meal and it tastes delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon. I got more to serve. Y'all
See you
hungry
next
yet?
time.